Okay, so ganito 'no, feeling ko gumagana na, like malapit-lapit na yata nating ma-fix yung sleeping pattern natin kasi, basta okey naman gumagana yung pagpupuyat natin, it's kinda cool, okey naman. So, masasabi ko lang so far, pagkagising ko hindi dapat ako kikilos pa, pero wala kumilos tayo, which is good, okey naman yun. Meron tayong agenda ngayon, ngayong araw talaga is more of like paplantsahin ko na yung mga plano, yung mga ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin talaga 'no, and, meron akong mga few insights na medyo importante na gusto kong pag-usapan so far. And yun, so una sa gusto kong sabihin is yung sa video ni Alex 'no, it's technically very interesting 'no. Na-realize ko lang na I'm very happy and blessed talaga na magkaroon ng, ah, I would say role model na si Alex Hormozi kasi he just helps me to be better 'no. So far nakakatuwa. Napag-usapan dun sa pinakinggan kong podcast episode ng eto sino ba 'to, si Jay Shet, pakita ko na lang rin. Jay Shet, Shetty, okey, Jay Shetty, okey. So napakaangas nitong video na 'to 'no, ito yung title. Pinakinggan ko siya kanina habang kumakain ako. So, interesting of fear talaga, 'no? Napakalaking bagay ng fear. Kasi because of fear, yun talaga, ako personally, uh, objectively duwag ako, na tao. Wala akong bayag madalas, most of the time. I just don't know how to handle things and, I know there are steps na puwedeng magawa dun. I will work on that. Actually, I am actively working on that in a way 'no. Ayoko lang maging gano'n kasi nga, yun talaga yung nagpapabagal ng growth ko okay, but again, it's okay. It is what it is 'no. Let's just focus on the solution, 'di ba? Tas yun yung isa. So, pangalawa, naobserbahan ko sa fear 'no, overall fear. Technically, it's a matter of ano rin, people you work with 'no. Like, paano ko ba-explain, it's all about people 'no. Earning money, overall business is all about relationships and business, relationships, and again, systems, people. It's all about people. One of the things na nahihiya ako, nabo-bother ako kaya hindi ako nagre-reach out sa mga mas malalaking tao to charge higher, 'di ba? Is because again, may fear ako, yun yung una. Pangalawa, kulang rin ako sa proof. Kasi napag-usapan dun yung working for free and getting experience. Again, kulang ako ng proof and I'm currently working on that, 'di ba? Kaya nga focus tayo this week sa video editing talaga, tsaka again, sa systems, overall sa business 'no. We're focusing on it 'no, giving higher importance pagdating dun sa aspect na yun. And, yeah, so it's all about people 'no, and na-realize ko rin even sa business partners 'no, it's just a matter of, pagyaman is high quality people talaga. Meet high quality people, high quality clients, high quality employees or business partners, 'di ba? Or teachers, 'di ba? Mentors. And looking back, and even pagpo-post sa social media, 'di ba? Ako personally, hindi ko pina-public talaga, 'di ba? Ngayon na ako nagsisimula mag-public ng mga videos ko. And kasi ano personally, I'm just not comfortable. Nahihiya ako kasi I feel that I'm not enough. Which is in a way medyo totoo. Medyo may katotohanan naman sa aspect na yun kasi ano, tawag dito, I don't I'm not, alam mo yun, hindi ako proud sa sarili ko, 'di ba? Hindi ko ginagawa yung potential ko. Um, I have some problems na hindi ko alam paano ma-solve. Ngayon ko lang siya nasa-solve 'no, thank God. Diyos ko, magte-30 na ako, ngayon ko pa lang siya nasa-solve. But it's okay, 'di ba? Again, it's a process. I'm still happy for me because sobrang fucked up nga ako 'no. May pagka-privileged ako tapos spoiled yung utak ko, 'di ba? I have a lot of bad habits and, behavior 'no, sobrang pangit. Pero again, I'm not going to take that as an excuse kasi I know what I'm capable of. It's also a strength in a way, 'di ba? So 'yun. Again, going back, isa 'yun sa factor kaya hindi ako nagpa-public, hindi ako nakikipag-reach out, kaya hindi ko kayang makapag-business partner sa iba or kumuha ng mga alam kong reliable na tao talaga na mapaghingan ng advice, malapitan. Kasi nahihiya ako na hindi lang din ako magfo-follow through, like hindi mas I will just waste their time na kinausap ko sila ta's di ko naman ginagawa yung sinabi nila, nagegets mo yung context. So, I'd rather fix myself first, which is I am actively improving, I think, and tumataas na yung confidence ko, and dun na tayo papasok sa isang na-realize ko ngayon. So, again before, hindi ko nga kaya, 'di ba, and I lack confidence. I'm just happy na kung tutuloy-tuloy ko 'tong ginagawa ko ngayon, I will be the kind of person na magiging confident na humarap sa ibang tao, na puwede makapag-business partner kahit kanino, kahit sino pa 'yan. Puwede akong humarap sa kahit kanino, puwede akong humingi ng tulong kahit kanino. Kasi I know, mapapakita ko sa kanila na ako yung tipo ng tao na 'pag tinulungan mo ako, hindi masasayang oras mo, 'no. If, you mentor me, I'll cherish it and I will not waste your time. I will actively work hard to, to make use of your lessons and help na binigay mo sa akin, advice, 'di ba? Compared before, again, meron nga akong bad habit na, 'pag may gagawin, kunwari may napag-usapan, hindi naman ako nagfo-follow through, hindi ko naman siya ginagawa. Which is a little bit normal for Filipinos, no? I don't know. It's just that my circle is gano'n. Bihira yung mga taong kilala ko na, na may isang salita, which gusto ko nga maging gano'n, 'no. I'm actively working on that. And yeah, 'yun, 'no. So yun lang naman. So it's kinda good, and dun na tayo papasok sa isa ko pang gusto sabihin na, again, relationships. Nandito na ako sa stage na medyo okey na ako na mag-office pagdating sa video editing, kasi una meron na siyang upside, eh, 'no. I don't know kung tutuloy ko 'to, pero it's just that na-realize ko, okey, I would say I am kung itutuloy-tuloy ko 'to, probably next year, I don't know kung may maisip pa ako ibang paraan, pero probably for next year, my next birthday, pagtungtong ko ng 30, for sure, I am, a different person, 'no. I have enough momentum now, and knowledge and experience to be able to, at least reach 20% of my potential. Ngayon kasi halos 2% lang, eh. At least 20%. And by that time, I'm sure that, at least mabilis lang ako mag-edit man lang, na-fix ko na yung fears ko, and the the mental pathway sa utak ko, na-train ko na siya. Kasi 'pag nangyari yun, for sure marami akong mai-impress na tao, eh. And it's just a matter of meeting new people, helping other people, and, exposure. Kasi I've always been isolated, baka nga yun pa yung solution sana dapat, kung nakapagpabilis pa sana ng progress ko, sa video editing overall. Kasi for example, pagdating sa art and painting, nag-aral ako ng ano, fine arts, eh. So, sa circle ko puro pintor, 'no. Puwede akong humingi ng advice sa kanila, daling lumapit sa kanila. I have a good network when it comes to artists, kasi yun yung course ko, eh. I've always felt isolated and alone when it comes to video editing and YouTube overall. Kasi wala talaga akong kilala, and hindi naman ako actively na naghahanap. Kasi nga, it's just a waste of time at that moment. Ayun, so I'm just happy na, okay, so kung tutuloy-tuloy ko 'to, for sure yun na yung next stage natin, kasi mas marami pa akong matututunan, marami akong mame-meet, and hindi na siya magiging mystery sa akin, and I can be in the industry. Nage-gets mo? Mapupunta na ako sa industriya, hindi na ako parang naliligaw-ligaw na beginner. Nawawala na yung imposter syndrome ko paunti-unti, eh. I think mas mawawala pa yun lalo. Baka nga maramdaman ko na I am a professional lalo, eh, kasi of course I know what I need to focus on, and I will meet people na mga experts pa lalo, at matututo ako sa kanila, and I will also meet the people na medyo ahead ako sa kanila, which is kinda good, nakakatuwa 'yun, kasi mas ma-appreciate ko yung pinaghirapan ko, eh, and I can also give them advice. And again, the good thing here is if I meet people na kagaya ko when it comes to this, I can get employees. I can finally build a team, 'di ba? Build, partners, get partners. That's the most important thing. Do'n ako sobrang excited. I can have a network of editors, creators that can help me to build, what I'm trying to build, 'di ba? So yun lang naman, networking is really important, but of course, again, the reason why I felt na hindi pa siya priority is because I'm just not there yet. It's just a waste of time. kung ginawa ko siya before, wala talaga siyang benefit, mahihiya lang ako actually. Mapapamukha lang sa sarili ko kung gaano ako ka-bullshit. I don't know, it's just wrong timing before. I'm just happy na, okay, so yun na pala ang next step kasi I think that's going to yield huge results. So yun lang naman, today, no pressure kasi consider this rest day dapat ngayon, pero of course, we will work on the things that we need to build and, again, editing practice.